Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the application on your device and log in using your credentials. After that, go to the Settings tab, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look for the option labeled Base Currency. Here, the currency is set to default in USD. Click on Base Currency tab, and you'll find a list of available currencies. Scroll through the list and select the currency you want to use for displaying your portfolio's values. After selecting, you'll be backed up in your Settings tab. After that, go back to your portfolio view to ensure that the currency has been updated and is displayed correctly. So, that is how you can change your currency in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.